Pakistan must be brought back in FATF grey list. Now, what is the importance of FATF grey list? That there will be huge scrutiny on that nation when you do money transactions. And it is a fact that Pakistan uses Middle East, hawala or money laundering, to sponsor terrorist groups against India. Now, I'll give you an example. In 2018, Pakistan was brought in grey list. One Sajid Mir. If you open FBI website and type Sajid Mir, there's a 5 million reward on his head. Now, Sajid Mir was the main person who engaged David Headley. He told him to change his name for Dawood Gilani to David Headley. Now, Pakistan said he's dead. In Germany, when the final meeting of FATF was held, Pakistan came into that meeting and said, Sajid Mir is alive. Now, how can a person who's dead becomes alive? That in itself clearly shows that what Pakistan does, and then the Pakistani court gave him a sentence of 15 years for terror financing. So bringing Pakistan in FATF is very important, because our apprehension is that this 2 billion loan which IMF is giving, that will be used by Pakistani military. And it is a known fact, whenever this loan is given, it goes to all the core commanders of Pakistan Army. Someone has very rightly called them crore commanders of Pakistan Army. We are concerned with the deep state of Pakistan, the ISI, and the open free run being given to the terrorists in Pakistan. You can tell your Pakistani, if you meet them, please show us one terrorist camp which India runs. एक तो बताइए भाई, कहीं तो बता, कुछ नहीं है. और बार बार ये मुसलमान, पाकिस्तान cannot take up this issue. हम मुसलमान, क्या मुसलमान? हिंदुस्तान में पाकिस्तान से बढ़ के मुसलमान है, पाकिस्तान से बढ़ के मुसलमान है. और मैं तो आपको बोल रहा हूं कि उनसे ज्यादा हम ईमानदार हैं, उनसे ज्यादा हम में तकवा है. Yesterday, the Pakistani army chief had gifted a photo to the Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. President of Pakistan was there, the Speaker of National Assembly was there. And these stupid jokers, they want to compete with India. They had given a photograph of a 2019 Chinese army drill, claiming it's a victory over India. Now this is what Pakistan indulges in. They cannot even give a proper photograph. तो हम बचपने में हम स्कूल में सुनते थे कि अक्सर स्कूल में क्या होता था कि हम अच्छे पढ़ने वाले बच्चे के बाजू के बैठता था. तो नकल करने के लिए अकल भी चाहिए. इन नालायकों को अकल भी नहीं है. So you just imagine that your own country's Prime Minister, President, Speaker of National Assembly is there. Your so-called Mr. Field Marshal is there, and the Field Marshal gives a photograph of a Pakistani Chinese drill of PHL-03 in 2019. So this is what Pakistan indulges in, and that is why you must not, whatever Pakistan is saying, don't even take it with a pinch of salt.